But what do you think? Leave us a comment below and let us know what you think about jet black. Check this out right here. This is our brand new shop. So we're just super excited to have our very own shop, to do our very own work. Come on in here with us. We'll show you around and show you the new shop. So we just couldn't be happier. Check this out. We got our own tire changing machine, our very own, so we won't have to go to the tire shop as much. We got our own computer balancing system. We got our very own lift. So we haven't had a lift. I think since we've had this channel, we might have only had one truck on a lift at the whole time we worked off the floor. So we got our very own lift. But check out our big bay space on this side. We've got all kinds of room to work on a ton of stuff. And then check this out right here. So we got this office space so we can do some live bidding. We can do some video editing. We got everything painted in here. We got some new floor put down. Got us 3 big monitors. And then we've got a filing system over here. So we also got this kind of parts room storage area here. And right now we're just kind of getting everything set up while we're getting all organized. We've got some mixing supplies in here. We've got our paint and our clear coat stored in here. Just a whole lot of stuff that was left over from when we bought this shop. But we're going to continue cleaning this area up and making it like a parts storage area so that we can keep our parts in here. And anytime we get a good used part, we'll have a place to put it. So one of the first things that we bought for this new shop was this pressure washer from Giraffe Tools. It mounts on the wall. It's got a 100-foot hose. We caught this thing on sale right around Father's Day for $238 with free shipping. I mounted it right up to the wall, and man, I'm really digging this thing so far. So hopefully it lasts us a long, long time. It's just ready to start washing as soon as we're ready. And one of the best things about this shop, one of the reasons that we are so lucky to get it, is we've got our very own paint booth in here. So check this out, guys. We changed out all the lights for LED lights. We've been working on kind of getting everything painted where everybody's tested their spray gun patterns in here. But it's super bright, and it's a downdraft booth. It even has a heater. So we've got all the downdraft stuff working. We sprayed a couple of things in the booth, and it is working absolutely phenomenal. As you can tell, I am super excited about the new shop, but let us know what you think about it. And right now, there's a truck that's about to play at Copart. It's a 2012 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to bid on it. Let's see who we're bidding against today. Right now, the high bid is $7,800. We just bid $8,000 against Alaska. So they come right back at $8,100. $8,100. Alaska's winning. We just bid it again. We got the high bid at $8,300. So let's see who's going to come against us now. We still got it $8,300. Now Cambodia is in at $8,400. We just bid again. Let them know we're there at $8,500. So it's us right now in Cambodia. I really want this truck. They just bid it up again at $8,600. I'm going to go again here. $8,700. Maybe we can win it for $8,700 against Cambodia. This truck needs to stay in the States anyway. 2012 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road, $8,700 bonus time. We got the high bid at $8,700. It's in bonus time right now. Come on, Cambodia, lay off of it. Lay off of it. We just got it. We just bought ourselves a truck. It's a 2012 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. Let's go check it out. Welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel, and welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage. We bought another one. We just picked up a 2012 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. It had minimal damage. It had a little bit of damage to this front door right here, a little bit of damage to this rocker right here. And as you can see, We picked up a door, genuine Tacoma door, right off of eBay. I mean, this truck's gonna make a really nice truck. It's kind of dirty on the inside, but all in all, the paint's just a little bit faded. The hood and everything else is looking really, really good. And I'm super excited to have another one of these Tacomas to work on. We absolutely love them. We know them inside and out. So let's get started on this one. Let's get it all fixed up. Maybe I'll set that door off and try to deal with that rocker a little bit. Maybe I'm gonna pull it out. Maybe I'm gonna completely replace it. Not sure just yet, but I tried to order the whole rocker from Toyota and it's back ordered indefinitely, so I don't know if they can get it or not. We can go to the junkyard if we need one, but we're gonna get to work. We're gonna pull it out. Maybe we can save it. Who knows? But let's get started and get something done. So I went ahead and taped up the door so I wouldn't get a bunch of trash up inside the truck. I hope I don't set it on fire when I welded this, but I stripped all the paint off of this area right here. And I'm gonna cut me a template to make me a piece to weld right here. And I'm gonna try to pull this rocker right back out. And well, I got that rocker, I got it all pulled out, but we're gonna go ahead and replace that. So we found a donor truck, we're gonna get that off of. So we got back from the junkyard with our donor piece and went ahead and drilled out these 25 or 30 spot welds. And we got this new rocker that we're gonna put on our truck. So now the next phase of putting that new rocker in is we gotta drill out all the spot welds on here and figure out just exactly where we wanna make our cut. I know it's at least gonna have to come from back here all the way to here. And I'm just not sure right now exactly where I want to splice that thing in. But I know we're going to get started grinding all these spot welds off and cutting off this rocker. Then we're going to test fit that new piece, see how the door fits it. Going to get it welded in, and then we're going to get it painted. So as long as we're talking, it's not getting done. So let's stop talking and let's get to work. And this is how I decided to splice this rocker in, where it would be welded in behind the fender. And then we're pretty much replacing the whole thing. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld this rocker in, and it's gonna be 100% ready. We'll spray up some cavity wax inside to take care of it. I already put weld-through primer on the back side, and that's gonna protect this truck for a long, long time. I'm satisfied with how this repair is coming along. It's not gonna be long at all. We're gonna have this truck right back on the road. I tell you what, it's a good hot day. And we've been working on this door right here. And we bought this door used off of eBay. And it was pretty local here, so we went and picked it up. But I had to fix a couple of spots. They'd already primed them, but they just wasn't exactly right. So we put a little glaze on and blocked everything down. And we got our body lines back. So now I'm gonna put a little primer on this. I don't think I'm gonna prime the whole thing because all in all, the door is in good shape. We'll just prime these spots, get this bare stuff covered up, and get ready to put some paint on this door. Went ahead and trimmed out this door today, and man, that thing is all bright white. You don't see any more black on this door. And this fender had just a very small amount of damage, so we fixed it right in here, put a little primer on, got it sanded down. So we're gonna blend onto this fender. And then here's our door that we picked up off eBay. We've been working on this door, and we're getting it ready to paint. These wheels are the stock ones, and somebody's made an attempt to paint them before. And what we're gonna do is we bought some of this ebony black base coat from Audubon, and we're gonna paint these things jet black, gloss black. And I think that jet black is gonna look really good. But what do you think? Leave us a comment below and let us know what you think about jet black wheels, all clear coated and shiny. I think they're gonna look good. And just a little bit off camera, we've been working on these wheels, and we've got them broke down. So they're broke down, got the valve stems taken out of them, and we're working on sanding them and making them smooth so they'll shine with that gloss black paint. Well, we got the rocker all welded in. We got the wheels painted. We got the door and the fender painted. This truck is really coming along. We've got just a few more things to do to it. We can start getting it all put back together. But I think we have ran out of time for this video, guys. But make sure you turn those post notifications on, because in the next episode, we're going to completely break down the 100% cost we got invested in this truck. A special thanks to all the subscribers, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you guys next time in the next episode. We're out.